In this video, we are going to see how we can make the payment against the purchase of services in Zoho. So in the earlier transaction, we have booked the packing charges as a service invoice. And on the same date, on 18th of January, we are partially paying for that service to Mr. Anthony. As you can see here, paid Mr. Anthony by check of Standard Chartered Bank, and the amount we are paying is 3,000. Total bill invoice was 4,500. So what we are going to do is, we are already in the bills. We can click on record a payment. Payment made is 3,000 from Standard Chartered Bank. So let's say we write bank transfer here. Payment made on 18th of January. Paid through Standard Chartered Bank. And let's select any reference number. Let's write any reference. In the notes, we just copy this thing right here, paste it. So all set. Payment made is 3,000. It's a bank transfer. Payment date is 18th of January. Paid through Standard Chartered Bank, and this is the narration. All set. Click on Save as Paid, and we can check the journal entry effect. Click on the three dots and click on View Journal. So right now the journal we are seeing is for bills because we are not in the payment section. So we can click on payments made from the top, and this is the payment made. Summary is shown right here, but we have to go to payments made. Here is the payment. Just go here, and from here we click on View Journal. Accounts payable is debit and Standard Chartered Bank is credit. Let's go to the vendors again. And the pending balance against Anthony is 1,500. So out of 4,500, 3,000 is paid, 1,500 is left. This is how we can make the payment against the service invoice in Zoho. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.